I have created a little AI agent that can take a YouTube video URL and extract the audio, get the MP3 file. And then I can ask to transcribe that into text. And I can ask to generate a Twitter thread, for instance. And also I can save that data to AITable or to any other tool. Well, in this particular agent, to AITable. So let's see how it works. So here I'm gonna type a question, extract the audio from this YouTube video. And here I'm gonna put this URL. I paste it here. And let's see what it does. And here's the audio of that. So let's check it out. And let's open it in a new window.
Do you remember the first time you heard a really good story? One of my first times was when I read Ramona the Pest by Beverly Cleary.
Now let's hear it from the video here. Let's rewind this.
Do you remember the first time you heard a really good story? One of my first times was when I read Ramona the Pest.
As you see, it's the same. Let's close this. And now transcribe that MP3 and generate a Twitter thread about it. This will take a couple of seconds as well. And here is the response. It looks good. Yeah, it looks good. And now create a new row with the information on AITable. So I want to save this here in this table. Let's check it out. And as you see, it generates the whole thing here. So I have the YouTube video, the audio. So if I click on the audio, you can see that it's the URL of the audio. Okay, here's the text that I did before. And if I open this here, I can see the Twitter thread here. So that's pretty neat. And of course, I can ask more questions, but you got the idea. I hope you like it.